Hi everyone, so it's a lovely morning here in Leh and we'll be heading to have a breakfast soon. I think I promised yesterday that we would record some of it to show you guys. But yeah, looks good. It feels sort of sunny. No, it's not. I think it's a pleasant weather today. So yeah, let's go.
इन्होंने 1971 की लड़ाई 19 की लड़ाई लड़ा हुआ है। जो अंदर जो हथियार कैप्चर किया हुआ है ना, हाँ इन्हीं ने किया।
अच्छा। Hi everyone, so we had just completed Hall of Fame and we'll be moving to the second destination for today, which is
Spituk Monastery.
Spituk Monastery, yeah. So as Anika said, it's lovely view from over here. Like we are just at the entrance. Things look really pretty from here. Really nice. Let's see, the day seems really exciting and people are even talking about light show at the night around the Hall of Fame area. So let's see how we plan things for the day. So guys, so we have reached the Gurudwara and it has a lovely vibe. People say it's a very nice Gurudwara over here. Let me just show you the glimpse of it. And in the previous video I was talking about how the mountains have changed. I don't know if you can see this properly, but the transition of the mountains is just epic. Let's just enter the Gurudwara now. And we'll also be trying the langar over here. Let's see how things go. Hi, we have Harshita joining in. And yeah, we are all ready. We are all Gurudwara ready.
Yes, we are enjoying.
So guys, we are at Magnetic Hill now. It's a lovely view over here. It's all mountains and like there's this board which is Magnetic Hill, and our guide for the day had shown us that even if we had stopped the car was moving somehow. So I think there is something magnetic about it. Guys, currently we are at the world's highest rafting point, as the sign says, apparently, and even the tour guide was telling us about it. But we don't have any currents over here in the water, so it won't be too much fun, as I've heard from people that rafting would be better in Rishikesh. So yeah, let's see. We'll probably try the cafe over here right now. Hi guys, so we were just discussing that am I a vlogger or not. So when this video will be out on some platform, you guys will determine if that's true or not. So yeah, anyways, so we just met Harshita. We had to wait around 45 minutes for her.
Oh my god, sorry.
But there was a good reason for it. It's her birthday today. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah, so happy birthday. So yeah. So we'll be heading to the market now and I don't know, like try out some new food and maybe momos as well. So I'm a big momo fan. Yeah.
Veg momos only.
Why veg momos?
I'm vegetarian.
Vegetarian
you can call me.
Okay. ये तो फेकनेस हो गई. इनको नहीं मानता मैं. Okay. It's a lovely weather right now. And the मैं बोल रहा हूँ। अभी मिल रहा है। फिर तो फेमस हो गया उसके बाद ना मैं आपको जब